Hi friends, welcome to Live at Chennai. This is Mr. Universe. Today I'm going to draw the very famous actress Anushka Shetty. Actually, this is the character of Bahubali movie Devasena. This is one of her best character in her cinema career. So this is what I'm going to draw today. Okay, let me choose any graphite pencil to start initial sketch. So as usual, I'm starting from eye. Now I first draw eyeball. Okay, so following the eyeball, I'm drawing the eye line on the top. So let me zoom it a little bit closer. So I'm drawing the top eye line following that eyeball. So in the lower line. Okay, so this is actually a graphite pencil using to make initial sketch. I always be careful with the eye and eyeball because they are the key point to continue with other area of the face. So if the eye is wrong, then other part which you're drawing comparing with eye will be wrong. So always be careful with the eye, not only eye, the part which you draw first, you be careful on that, because if it is good then it will come good, otherwise the mistake will be followed. Okay, so next thing you can draw the line which is above eye. So and I'm just drawing one horizontal line which helped me to draw the second eye, because it confirms the eyes are in same level. So after that, eyebrow. The lower line of the eyebrow, and then following that the upper line. So the lower line, the gap between eye line from to the eyebrow, you should confirm with the eyeball or the eye. So now eyebrow is drawn. So next we can draw the nose line. So this is nose bridge, which is between eye and between two eye. So as usual for this face also, you can leave one eye space between two eye, and again drawing eyeball inside the eye. So there will be no changes in eyeball size with the previous eyeball, the first eye. So slowly you can improve the outer line. Okay, now I'm drawing the eyelashes. So next to eyelashes there will be a eye line, one more layer, and then eyebrow. So this is how I used to draw the same thing in all the portraits, because when you're drawing closer things, then it will be easy to guess the distance of the space between one part to other part. So next the lower line, which is below to the eye. So next nose. For nose I'm drawing one diagonal line, since the nose is little diagonal from the face, and marking the baseline for nose. So Following this, nose, I'm just giving detailing to the nose, nostrils, so the ornaments from the nose. So most of the royal family in the ancient time they used to wear, and not also the poor people used to wear this. It was a culture in India and other African countries. So now I'm going to draw lips, so that I'm just marking some support line from eye, so that it confirms that the two lines from eyeball, the vertical line confirms that the lips will not go beyond that. It's like a boundary line for the lips. So you don't be very quick to make a outline, because outlines are very important for drawing. So you always be careful and be cautious when you're drawing each and every part of the face. But sometimes you will give very important to eyeball and eyebrow, nose and lips. We forgot to keep the same attention to all other parts, so that the face maybe will come wrong. So it's now almost the inner part of the face is over. Now I'm going to draw the outline of the face, outer area. See how I turn the lines and how I guess. I'm just watching the closer part of the line, so that I'm just marking that area. I'm connecting the lines from one to one. Though the drawing is over, actually drawing is not completed. You should keep with your original picture and compare the drawing twice or thrice, find out the mistake and improvise the drawing, rectify the mistakes. So if anything is wrong, then you try to erase or try to draw another extra line to make sure it is okay. So now I'm drawing the left side cheek and chin area. So drawing and freehand like you are walking on a sharp knife. So you must be very careful all the times. So the rest of the part I did as faster, because maybe it has no detailing work. So next I'm going to give final outline with Staedtler 8B pencil. So I'm drawing only wanted lines, not unwanted lines. So unwanted lines will be erased in the end of the session. So actually I studied with this outline with the original picture. I found some mistakes and corrections, so I'm doing during the final outline. So after this I'll use brown pencils for drawing nose, lips and other skin area. If you draw with dark black pencil on skin area, it will not be matched with color pencil when you are shading it. So now you see I'm using brown pencil because of the skin tone is little brown and it can be matched and it can be blend with color pencils while you're coloring the face. Also I'm drawing ornaments with brown pencils, but ornaments can be painted with acrylic later on if it doesn't come good in color pencil. Sometimes we can use mix and medium to bring the pictures good. So now for outer part, so I'm using same brown pencil. So actually this tutorial going to be step by step, part 1, part 2, like that till finishing the whole picture. Maybe I don't know how many part it is required to finish up. So now I'm just stopping this with outline. Maybe once started coloring, maybe it will take 2 or 3 more part to complete. So that earring looks so different, but I think it has to come little bit more bigger. So now here, right side earring for, and then hair. As most of the people are thinking that I'm doing some trick to draw like this, because no trick at all. I'm doing step by step. I'm doing a lot of corrections, a lot of stages there to bring it up good. A lot of practice behind this. As now the outline is over, then you can erase some unwanted lines. So once erased unwanted lines, you will find very good outline. So maybe you will also try with this, with your drawing. So now next we can erase. Still I would like to find some correction on the hair area. It doesn't come good, so we can make some corrections over there. After this, I'll erase the lines completely. Only the wanted lines will be there. So now I'm erasing unwanted lines. Always erase the extra lines with a clean eraser. Make sure that your eraser are very clean before you're using it, because sometimes the dust or the soil in the eraser will stick on your portrait, so it will be very hard to remove it up. So be careful on that. So now we are in the end of the session. So if you are liking this video and tutorial, you can give a like and you can subscribe into my channel, and also forward this video and link to your family and family friends. Thank you. Keep on supporting me. So after this, next level will be shading. So I'll come up with another new video. Keep on watching my channel, supporting me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.